prove themselves.
Then let's start the game between the Carolina Hurricanes and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Moved across. Laine gets the loose puck. Blocked. Provorov with the puck. Burns, one-time shot from the left. Jenner.
Line 3, get up there.
Tervainen picked it up. Nason now has it. Grabbed by Columbus. Fires it. It's off the post. Laine gets hold of the puck.
Line 2.
Chatfield. Nason corrals it. Mowed down. Sillinger scoops up the loose puck.
Line 4.
Out over the blue line. Chatfield gives up the puck. Texier gets pushed. Aho. Played up. Blistering shot. Merzlikins denies him.
Line 2. Line 1, get up there.
D'Angelo with the puck. Fast. Carolina scoops it up. Aho rocks Sillinger. Quick pass up. Tervainen clotheslines Texier. Move back. Chinikov finds the loose puck. He whacks Slavin. He takes control of the puck.
Line 4.
Kuznetsov. Jarvis. Hard shot. Carolina jumps on it.
Line 4.
Out over the blue line. Moved up. Up along the boards. Thrashed.
He initiated some contact there.
Severson. Quick shot from the left. He's with the puck.
Line 2.
Goodbranson. Quick shot. Denied by Anderson.
Super pad save.
Columbus puts its third line out. Carolina dumps the puck in. Kotkaniemi grabs it. He gets hit.
Now that's how you hit a guy.
Severson scoops up the loose puck. Aho shoots it. Merzlikins made the save. Columbus dumps the puck in.
Line 1.
Aho. Icing called against Carolina. The face-off goes to Columbus. Slavin gets shoved. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Columbus takes control. Burns blocked. Tervainen takes control of the puck.
Line 2.
Rossi
Line
dumps
3.
it in on the end boards. Burns over the line. Burns gets checked. He jumps on the loose puck. Chinikov. Chinikov fires. He scores. Carolina will want to get that one back, and in a hurry.
You don't want to let the opposition out in front. That just gives them the chance to run away with the lead.
Aho steals the pass. Dost with the puck. Shoots! Stoned by Merzlikins. Aho takes possession of the puck.
Line 3.
Line 1.
Gensel. Backhand. Pad saved by Merzlikins. Provorov advances the puck. Svechnikov shoves Nylander. Delayed penalty coming up. Nylander will go to the box for hooking. Slavin finds the loose puck.
Alexander Nylander.
Pad saved by Merzlikins. Tervainen jumps on the loose puck. Kuznetsov. Tertier takes it. Goes behind his net. Moved ahead. Severson knocks him off the puck. Carolina finds it. Fires it hard.
Drop in and change.
Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. Out of their defensive end. Moved up. Brings it in. Aho grabs the puck. Cranks it hard from the right. He got it. AINHL shoots it quickly. Carolina with it now. Goodrow. Gensel pushes him. Shea finds the loose puck. Shoots quickly. Offside, Columbus. Carolina scooped it up. Aho, wrist shot. AINHL stops the shot. Brings it out. Nylander leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Played back. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. In over the line. Aho gets rubbed off the puck. Jumped off by Carolina. Svechnikov. The first is now over. The Hurricanes have played a clean game but still trail by a goal.
Well, they've been a little too careful. A solid defense is usually a physical one. That first period was tight.
Hopefully we'll see things open up in the second. Slavin gets hold of the puck. A penalty has been called. Tertier will serve time for interference. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Goodrow scoops up the loose puck.
Alexander Tertier, 2 minutes for interference.
Dost gets the pass from Anderson. Jenner finds the loose puck. Rips it. AINHL. He gets shoved.
There's a battle going on out there.
Jenner gets pushed off the puck. Provorov gobbles it up. Saved by Anderson. Jenner. Werenski. Heavy shot from the right. Into the attacking zone. Moved up. Aho. Backhanded shot. Scores! That's a power play goal.
The power play was working that time. They really utilized the extra room on the ice with that goal. Good power play effort all around.
Carolina takes it to them, and we've got a tie game.
That's the great thing about an early goal, Jim. It can really set the tone for the whole period.
Assisted by number 20.
Slavin grabs the puck. Over the blue line. Svechnikov. Bean gets the loose puck. Carolina puts its second line out. The Blue Jackets stump the puck in. Carolina grabbed it. Gensel. Dost. Scooped up by Columbus. Werenski pushes. Dost played up. Werenski
Line 3.
shoots quickly. Anderson, great save.
He saw that puck all the way.
Gets the shot off. Meslikins stabbed at it. Offside.
Donations. Underprivileged children have been given the opportunity.
About to drop the puck.
Heroes live from our
Sillinger scoops up the loose puck.
Thank you for your generosity.
Kuznetsov gets the pass from Anderson. Moved ahead. Over the line. A delayed penalty call against Columbus. Goodbranson has been nailed for hooking. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Burns.
Goodbranson, 2 minutes.
Slavin with a wrist shot. Brings it out. Burns takes control of the puck. Teravainen.
Change it up. Change up.
Wrist shot. Turn. Scores!
A good setup in the zone. They really took advantage of extra ice on the power play.
Columbus trails by 1 midway through the second period.
This is where the mental part of the game comes in. A goal like that can really mess with your head.
Across.
37, Andre Shvednikov.
Martineau with a wrist shot.
8, Brent Berg.
Jenner with the puck. Columbus puts its second line out. Nason jumps on the loose puck. Stall out over the blue line. Orlov gets the loose puck. Merzlikins takes it off the post. Wawrinski takes control of Nason. Scores! How often do you see goals like that?
Not nearly enough, Jim. Not nearly enough. A brilliant pass followed by a great shot. When the two come together, it's a guaranteed goal.
Columbus is looking to regroup.
This one's close to getting out of control. Need to slow things down and figure things out.
Delayed penalty call coming up for Columbus. Goodbranson is going to the box for hooking. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. The face-off goes to the Hurricanes.
Eric Goodbranson, 2 minutes for hooking.
Burns ahead to the neutral zone. Over the blue line. Backhand. Bookfist gets in the way. Svechnikov. Carolina puts its number 2 power play unit out. Tertier jumps on the loose puck. Dost shoves Severson. Gensel takes possession of the puck. Burns, backhand shot. He hits the post. Kuznetsov gets the loose puck. Shoots quickly. Severson stops the shot. Wrist shot. Blocked.
Shake it up.
Carolina picked it up. With a wrist shot. Merzlikins gets a leg on it. Shea finds the loose puck. Shea, wrist shot. Merzlikins turned the shot aside.
Change up.
Bookfist takes control of the puck. Goodbranson returns his team to full strength as he's completed his penalty. Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Quick pass up. Backhanded shot.
Line.
Played up.
Line 3.
And out they come with a puck. Brings it in. Pass back. Gets the shot off. Anderson turns him away. Provorov jumps on the loose puck. Orlov. Stahl grabs it out of their defensive end. The ref indicates a delayed call against Columbus along the boards. A penalty is being called. Laine gets called for interference. The action's about to start.
To number 29, Patrick
Severson with the puck.
for interference.
With a wrist shot, Merzlikins shut the door. Severson takes control of the puck. Quick shot. Merzlikins stoned him. Svechnikov grabs the puck. Corrali intercepts the puck. Bookfist ahead to the neutral zone. Slevin finds the loose puck. Dost over the blue line. Jenner gets checked. One. Tertier gets in the way. He takes control of the puck. Dost. Wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Merzlikins. Shoots quickly. Provorov with the puck. That's offside. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Jenner won the faceoff. Quick pass up. Cannonading shot. Blocked. Tervainen takes control of the puck. Burns with a wrist shot. Laine has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Over center. Jenner gets hold of the puck. Tervainen pitchforks Werenski. Jenner, he gets rocked.
He'll need to be more aware with the puck.
Brings it out. Brings it in. Svechnikov scoops up the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Passed across. Centered.
Second period.
Through the neutral zone. Provorov gets the loose puck. Up along the boards. Anderson gets a leg on it.
It's a refreshing beverage. Our concession stands offer great food at reasonable prices.
Welcome back for the third period. Will we see a comeback?
Well, there's lots of ground to make up and not a whole lot of time.
Advances the puck. In over the line. In the corner. Severson jumps on the loose puck. Texier. The Blue Jackets dump it in. D'Angelo has it. Gensel shoots. Severson stops the shot. Burns passed ahead. Kuznetsov, he gets pushed.
He gets bumped off the play.
Kuznetsov with the puck. Burns one time from the left. Provorov grabs it. He gets hammered. Rips a shot. Slavin gets in the way. Quick pass up. Into the attacking zone. Wrist shot.
Doesn't even hit the net.
Anderson stones him. Burns takes control of the puck. Danforth pushes Stahl. Chatfield scoops up the loose puck. Carolina puts its second line out. Provorov for the howitzer. Anderson stoned him cold. Anderson hangs on for the whistle. Gensel rubbed off the puck. Carolina jumps on it, brings it out, played back. Aho gets hold of the puck. Quick shot from the left. Shea, he gets shoved.
He left him a bit confused.
Icing against Columbus. We're ready for the face-off. Netchas wins the draw. Jenner jumps on the loose puck. Goodrow gets pushed.
Lands a nice hit.
Werenski takes possession of the puck. Kotkaniemi nails Provorov. Played up. Blocked. Quick pass up. Kotkaniemi takes control of the puck. Intercepted. Advances the puck. Moved ahead. He gets laid out.
He's like a pinball out there.
Quick pass up. He gets bumped off the puck. Rossi scooped it up. Kotkaniemi advances the puck. Over center. Bean finds the loose puck. He dumps it in on the end boards. Shea scoops it up. Kuznetsov rips one. Leg save.
Excellent reflexes to make the stop.
Played up. Texier dumps the puck in. Columbus picks it up. Bean. Danforth. Nylander has it. Stahl gets a hold of it. Corrali touches up for icing. They're getting ready for the face-off. Carolina corrals it. Brings it out. Carolina beats out the icing call. Columbus with it now. Jenner.
Line 2.
Goudreau picked it up. Columbus touches up for the icing call. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Teravainen, he gobbles it up. Carolina wins the race and beats out the icing call. Columbus gets it. Chinnikov. Kristoff on the left. He hits the post. Played back. Texier gets the puck with a wrist shot. Anderson denied him. Passed ahead. Ahead to the neutral zone. Moved up. Centers it. Texier knocks the puck loose. Severson moved it in all alone. Fires it. He straight arms D'Angelo. He's with the puck. Backhands it. Offside, Columbus. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Stahl won the faceoff. Across. Bookfist takes possession of the puck. Nylander, backhand. Carolina now with it. Chatfield gets crushed. Corrali intercepts the pass. Danforth. Bookfist grabs the puck. Grabbed by Columbus. Nylander, he gets pushed. Played up. In the corner, blocked. Moved ahead. Bookfist gets the loose puck. He gets shoved.
It looks like they've shown up for this game.
Mason Merzlikins closes the door. Merzlikins hangs on for the whistle. Columbus will need to start controlling a few faceoffs.
Well, so far it hasn't been their strength.
It's finished. Carolina claims supremacy.
They were able to set the table all game long, and that gained them the victory.
Great job of passing the puck tonight. It made the difference.
Tonight's third star, Columbus number 59.
Yale Chinnikov.
Tonight's second star for Carolina number 31, Frederick Anderson.
From Columbus, Ohio, I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.